Alright, so I know you guys are gonna like this. So you see all this? Customer stated they went into Walmart and then came back out and car was doing all this. I don't know. Car won't start. Can't turn the ignition off. It won't turn off. Anyway, so hooked up to it with a computer, obviously, and there was no communication with anything except for the CAN gateway under the dash. Well, so this is gonna sound kind of crazy, but come to find out, what is going on here is this fucking headlight right here. See, the new ones have these control modules built into them. It's just one single connector. And apparently at some point he hit a deer and I found this tiny little hole right there where it's busted. Well, what's been happening is, I guess all this snow we had recently, when it was melting, water was finding its way down in there, dripped into that hole, and then created a short that took down every fucking module that is on the BCAN network, along with this headlight. Unplug headlight. Look at that. Nothing on the dash anymore. Starts up and runs. I mean, there's still some lights on the dash, obviously, from when all those codes were set. But it starts and runs now. Meaning that the headlight is the cause of this car not starting. I never thought that I'd see the day that something like this would happen. Well, the more you know, I guess. Peace.